Namaskar and Jai Hind. Based on my last discussion, today we are going to discuss about ZCC, Zscaler Client Connector. Where you have to open it, go to Policy, Mobile Portal, Zscaler Client Connector. If you click on it, it will open a new tab. It is already open, but no problem. I'll opening another one. It is opened. Before I'm starting how it is work, I'm just give you overview. You at your home in your laptop, there is an application installed called Zscaler Client Connector ZCC. You have connected through your mobile hotspot. This is your mobile hotspot, or you are just your internet modem, means local ISP broadband, anything. mm, Alliance, Swissnet, GTPL, whatever you are, just Airtel, Tata, Vodafone, Geo. Now it will connect your nearest DC data center, public gen, with a logical tunnel. Nearest data center, if you are in Kolkata, then it will be your nearest Delhi. If you are Bangalore, Mumbai is there. Bangalore, it come to Chennai, something like that. Then based on your tenant, you have subscribed for a tenant. Then based on the policy, it will forward your traffic. If you go to internet, then ZIA need to be enabled on your ZCC. If you go to your internal application, only internal need to be ZPA enable private access. It will go to ZCC. Then it will connect your app connector here. Then app connector is connected to your application server. If you want to abcd.com, just open, connect to your ZPA need to be enabled. Then you can access your internal application. If you are in your home or outside from our home, anywhere, means outside of office, you are connected to a public network. You are connected to the nearest location Zscaler DC based on your profile app profile policy. You are just connected to ZIA policy. You go to internet. Basically, they are called as road warrior. Road warrior. Okay, and then it will connect to your ZPA. ZPA only for your internal application. This is not for your external user. Only for the internal user, internal application. Now, this is your ZCC dashboard. You cannot change anything or modify anything. You can just create your own report as something like that, nothing else. Now enroll device, if you can go and device overview, here you can use username. You have to put the user email address. It will show how many user are connected, what are the version. Based on these four, you can just search. Even you can search with the these options, means machine ID, hardware name, ZCC client version, device exact man, UID means user ID, UID email address. You can search from here as well. There's an option, go little bit this option. There is some columns you can need, you can add, remove based on your requirement. If you want to download the entire device, here the option you can download all the devices. Now going to application app profile. For app profile for Windows, Mac, Linux, OS, and Android. This is the five option that you have to go to Windows, create app profile. App profile is basically the policy that you are belongs from. I'll give you a detailed overview on that, each and every options. I'm just going through this one as well. Password, what is password require, authentication, notification lock, how to bypass that. So there is so many options over there. So we will discuss later on this topic. There's two similar for if you go to Windows, Mac, same. Most of the cases we are using these two, Windows or Mac, Linux, iOS, Android. I haven't seen most of the scenario, but somewhere Linux is there. But this is the most two I have used to work with. Now this is the most important part, administrator. Like if you can go ZIA, There is no administrator now, there is so many options. So same thing, here's the administrator part, most of the information are there. App store, same thing. Windows, Mac, registered device, new released, how many device has been new released, device registered, Mac OS. Here you have to push update for ZCC, update settings, you have to create policy, I'll show you later. Client connector notification, you can see audit log, if someone is make any changes or not. Forwarding profile, this is the another important app profile. Forwarding profile, this is the most important part in the Zscaler. App profile, forwarding profile, and pack file. You have to create app forwarding profile and then attach to the app profile. Now, trusted network, what is the trusted network means, what is the use of trusted network, will go client connector client connector supports. There's so many options. These options sometime it will very important. Enable support license, client connector, app profile, hidden client connector, automatically update username, network, direct access, capacity, user privacy, e- endpoint integration. Okay, this is the Zscaler connector sync, range of IP, device cleanup, advanced settings. They are synchronize this group. Why it is need, I'll let you know. Basically, when you create a new group in ZIA, here you have to come and synchronize this one. Okay, user agent, device posture. Here it is one of the important part, that is user posture checking. Posture means basically if you just create a posture one, then this need to be available, then the user able to connect, or else it will not be able to connect. So posture checking is important part for ZCC client connector. Application bypass, if you wants to do application bypass, there is two option, application bypass and another is your dot extension, something like that. Add application, like you have to select item, path, you can put a path over here. hmm oh, a process base, there is another option, previously it is not there, but there's two option, process base, I just forgot these two terms. mm, 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 mm. Platform setting, administrator management, here you can create user groups. Okay, and put the super admin credential, business community if needed be. So this is the overall of Zscaler client connector. Next video I am starting with app profile and then forwarding profile. If you go to the forwarding profile, see there is, you have to go to forwarding profile. If you are going to add, there is so many option. What is the criteria to forward? See, on trusted network, off trusted network, and VPN trusted network. VPN trusted network, off trusted network. This is a three criteria. Based on that, the traffic will be forwarded to the destination. Means how the traffic will be forwarded if you are falling under this category. And trusted network criteria, what will be the trusted, if I want to trust you, then what will be the criteria? I'll describe this as well, no problem. Based on my understanding, I'll share with you. So this is a small overview of ZCC, how to upgrade. This is the part where you can upgrade, new release, if how you get to know that what is the latest version as of now. This is the as of now latest for Windows. For Mac, this is the latest one. I can enable this, then it will, there is the option you have to save successfully. Okay, limited availability, general availability, registered device 000, update settings. Okay, I'll create a separate video for how to update and what will be the process then. So this is all about ZCC overview. This is not the entire. It will also cover in two class for app profile and forwarding profile. If you go to app profile, add, see this is the forwarding profile, create something here. You have to add the forwarding profile. Based on this app profile, it will connect to the forwarding profile. Anyway, I'll show you how you can just create that one. Anyway, thank you. Mm, I'll just stop this one for today and I'll just connect on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye everyone.